I thought I'd do a couple of little videos on things that I've changed in my car. So this video is all about how and why I mounted my throttle controller. So I've used what they used to be called iDrive, now they're an EVC throttle controller, and I double-sided taped it to the top here. Now a lot of people, what they'll do is they will mount it inside here, but because me and my wife both drive this car and we like to drive on different settings, here's a good spot to be able to view it and be able to change settings as you like. And all I've done is I've run the cable down the side, run it underneath, and there's plenty of videos on how to mount it to the throttle, but that's where I've done it, and I just cable tied it back. So this is where I've mounted it, and it works for me and my wife. You possibly could mount it over here somewhere, but I find that's where it works best. Let me know in the comments how you mounted yours. Keep watching for the next video.